Today, we're learning how to add a border around your video clips. This is a simple trick that can instantly give your video a stylish and professional look, and it's perfect for Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or any creative edit. Let's get started. First, open VN and import your video onto the timeline. Tap on the clip to make sure it's selected. Now, slightly scale down the video. This step is important because the border will only be visible if there's space around the edges of your clip. Once that's done, look at the bottom toolbar and tap on border. Right away, you'll see a border appear around your video. From here, you can fully customize it. Tap on the color option to pick any color you like: white for a clean look, black for cinematic style, or even bright colors to make it pop. Next, adjust the width slider. You can make the border super thin for a minimal outline, or go for a bold, thick frame if you want it to stand out more. After customizing, play back your video to see how it looks with the border in action. If needed, tweak the color and width again until you're satisfied. And that's it. You've successfully added a border to your clip in VN Video Editor. This is a really fun way to give your videos a unique personality and make them stand out on social media. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy VN Video Editor tutorials.